Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change location on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Explorer, we have the Hub, we also have the map, as you can go and see, the likes, where you can go, of course, and see who liked you. And in the bottom right corner, we have the chat. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change location on Happn. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. To change your location, follow these 3 steps. So open the Happn app, so launch the app on your device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then tap on the settings icon. The setting icon is located when you click on the top right corner on your profile. Scroll down, and here in the middle you have preferences, settings, and help center. Click on settings. Now look for the location option and adjust it to your desired range. You can usually set it to show matches within a certain radius around your location. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notification on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.